check it out, and have a look at what that's done. And yes, it's blue. Right, okay. So that commit hash, sorry, not that one. That commit hash tells me that's where it was good. So that's my good status. So I tell git bisect to start. I hope you can all see that. So git bisect start, and then I tell git bisect which is my good commit. Git bisect good, and then the reference to the one where it was okay. And it's all going wrong. It's the wrong repository. So I tell it that's the good commit. I tell it that the bad commit happened now, where we are. No, it'll be the master. Okay, so now it's going to try and find where it's gone wrong. So it's now committed one of the commits in the middle. It's checked out one of the commits in the middle, and as you can see, it's red. So I tell it that that one is bad. So now it's checked out a new one, and it's still red. So I tell it it's bad again, and see what's happened.
Hey.
And it's good in that one. So I'll tell it that one was good. And one last question. And that's good. So we tell it that one's good. And it gives me the exact time, date, who done it, of when this change was originally made. So if I then throw that into gitx, search for that commit that it's told me is the bad one, we can see, yeah, on that commit I changed line 7, I changed the background colour to red. This is so useful when you're trying to track down a weird bug that's happened somewhere. Say you've got 10 people working on the same repository, and you need to, you see there's some weird like iOS touch bug, and you need to figure out why that's happened, and it's happened a long time ago, and you need to figure it out. You basically give it a line 2,000 commits ago, and you compare it to the present, and it will gradually, it will ask you those questions, is this good or bad? And you will be able to track down the exact time when the problem started happening, which means it could be a terrible bug that would normally take like 15 hours to figure out why it's gone wrong. But with this method, you can find out what code was changed to make the bug happen, and then fix it very quickly, because you'll understand it straight away. I saw this happen at the place I worked last, and he was sat there for about 8 hours trying to find this bug, and after doing the git bisect, it took him 2 minutes to fix. It was just a simple line of JavaScript with a kind of a spelling mistake in a variable or something like that. So that's one of my favourite tools